I've given you the Penguin CSV file, which should be in the same directory as this notebook. But the goal here is to go down the notebooks, kind of cell by cell. So the first thing I'm going to ask you to do is, after you load the Penguin CSV data file into a data frame, to answer some basic questions about the penguins. So as you're getting started with reading the data, remember some helpful commands that you may remember. First of all, whatever you import pandas as, you need to import pandas as something. And PD is common. Then we're also going to be using Seaborn, and I don't know how these standard things get started, but it's standard to import Seaborn as SNS. I guess SB was spoken for. And so to read the data, you can assign some kind of with the pd.read CSV command. We'll call that on the penguins.csv file. You could do head as a method to look at the first few entries. You could do columns as a method just to look at the column names. You could do describe to get a sense of the distribution of the data. You could do head to look at the first few entries. These are helpful things for kind of just getting a basic feel for them. And I'd encourage you to look at them and see what information I'm actually getting. I'm not sure why this is not a call function. So we're going to do a short deep dive on how we would find the species that has the longest bill on average. Penguins underscore df dot group by, and then we're going to group by the species. So that is one thing, that is one command that just groups the data by species. Then we're going to extract the bill length column, bill length ms. See how we knew that right away, because they told us the variable name. Very good. And then after I extract this body mass.grams business, I am now going to want to do one more thing, which is I'm going to take the mean, take the average of that thing. So I'm grouping by the species. I am extracting the body mass only from that. And then I'm doing one more thing, which is taking the average. This is actually 3 separate commands that I've just chained together. So you can group by multiple columns, but this is the same. This is similar to what's called a pivot table. And that's one of those things that